What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. New year. Just want to show you the outside. Man, it looks nice. I ain't seen snow yet until, well, we had snow recently. I won't say yet. We had snow recently, but it wasn't like this. But let me go ahead and get started for today's video. I want to know if you guys can guess what we're going to be doing today in today's video. So let's see if you guys can guess what we're doing today in today's video. Have you guessed it yet? Bunch of wood. What's these? I'll let you guys keep guessing. But let me get ready to offload all this stuff into the garage in here. And you know how we do. So, unload everything. I got the wood in the garage. So yes, we are building a table today for today's episode. Let me show you what I've done already. I started doing it and then I had to stop because I wanted to show you guys. So I already did measurements on for my side panels. This is how much I'm chopping off right here. This is dead wood. I don't need that. And I don't know about these legs, but I think these legs right here are going to be long enough for me to stand the table up. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going to use, I got my screws. These are screws right here I just brought, and I forgot I had some more. And we also using Gorilla Glue. So I figure I'll go ahead, Gorilla Glue it down, screw it down. We should be good for the table. And yes, the table is going right here. So I have to move all that stuff out eventually. But as of right now, my main objective is to try to get some heat in this place for real, y'all. And secondly, to get this off. I see that that's actually nailed down from the under part of this table. So I'm gonna try to pry it off of there. I might just go and cut that and then show you how I'm gonna do everything else. I just realized right now, I might got maybe 1 or 2 C-clamps because that's what I might need to hold it down. But I might not need to hold it down because I got screws. Might be a one-win situation. We will find out. I basically cut them. And after that, I started, one thing led to another. So this is where we at. I put glue, as you can see along the seams here. Yeah, I got a little gap right here. Cut too much, but it should be good. And then I put glue there with some screws. So it's basically a screw holding both ends, a screw holding that end. And now I'm gonna get ready to put glue right here and 2 screws holding that in. And then, you know, of course, the leg tables, and then do the other side. Once I do that, I'm gonna cut you guys back on. I'm gonna flip this table back over. And I guess I'll show the process of me drilling everything down into the holes. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, want to update you guys and how far I got. So as you can see, gotten pretty far and it looking good. I have to see if I can get that side down a little bit more because I don't know, but I have to get that side down a little bit more. I didn't put glue on this side like I did the last 3. So yeah, I mean, it should be able to hold up, guys. So now I'm about to use these plates that I got from Home Depot. So basically what you do, you take them and you put them in a corner like this and you screw them, and it should bring everything, I guess, towards the middle of this, which should be cool. So it should be able to hold everything together. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna flip the table over and then drill the top, which I will show you guys that. And then from there, I guess, get ready to start rearranging all this stuff, move all this out the way, put the table right here, and figure out what I'm gonna put all this stuff at. So as you can see, got the table up. It's done. It's over. Hallelujah. As you can see, I put the 4 screws. Well, I put more than 4 screws in these ends. And the reason why is because, dang, I got so much activity. I can throw stuff underneath of there. I need to put another leg right here in the middle, because that's probably going to be the weakest point. But, be real with y'all. This table was heavy as ish. And the table legs at first, it broke. I didn't even record it, but I'm going to be real. Table legs is broke on this thing. I had to re-drill everything down. That's why you see me doing that, because before then, the table legs was up. But I'm not worried about it. It's done now. This project's over with. Oh, no, it's not. What I'm talking about. I have this yet to put on here. I have to figure out, should I mount it right here or should I mount it right there? I think I'm mount it right on here. But I'm going to have to get mounting bolts for this, unless this comes with it. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and open this up, and I'll find out right now. So, let's open this up right now. See what it looks like. My first vice grip. Directions. Ooh, this sucker is huge. Hold on. Box. Another box. Another useless bag. Yeah, this thing's heavy. And I'm just weak right now. I ain't got that much strength. For real. So, yeah, this is the vice grip. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and mount it right there, but it don't got no screws or nothing, so yeah. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, let me finish taking out the bag. So yeah. Yeah, now I gotta, yeah, I like this. So as you can see, right here, you got like little 4 little pins. I can drill holes and mount it down on this bad boy. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'll probably put it about like, maybe like right here. Yeah, right there. About right here. Right? Mount my holes. And yeah, that should be good. I mean, I can't complain about that. But I'm definitely might need another leg or something. I'm gonna take that board right there since it's extra. Nah, that's gonna be too flimsy. But we out of here, guys. You guys take care. Have a good day. Stay tuned for more videos on this lovely 240. Next video, we're gonna be wrapping up things. And I also got something surprising for this car. I gotta get this thing basically a rolling chassis, so. But stay tuned. See you next time. Peace. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.